भारत के पास मिलियंस ऑफ मिलियन प्रॉब्लम है, कोई इनकार नहीं कर सकता है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम मुझे इस बात का भरोसा भी है कि बिलियंस ऑफ बिलियन माइंड भी है।
This conviction of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, backed by Startup India's focused initiatives and the government's enabling policies, opened the doors to a thriving and now sprawling startup ecosystem in the country. Our startups are not only solving grassroots problems in each sector, but have salvaged the country from the claws of the pandemic. The rise of Indian startups is proving to be an inspiration to the world. India's startup landscape has evolved to the third largest in the world, with over 60,000 DPIIT recognized startups from all 36 states and union territories. Over 630 districts in India have at least one startup, and 45% of our startups are now emerging from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Since its launch in 2016, there has been 13 times increase in the number of recognized startups, 9 times increase in the number of investors, 7 times increase in the total funding for startups, 7 times increase in the number of incubators. Indian startups are introducing disruptive solutions to change the way India lives, consumes and communicates. Their contribution to India's economic growth and employment is rising exponentially now, more than ever, as India celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to mark the 75th year of India's independence. The biggest festival of startups and innovation is here and brings forth unicorns and best of startups, startup and incubator pitches, panel discussions and workshops, mentor and investor connects, strategies and insights. Startup India Innovation Week.